Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Academy. To solve this problem, we can factor out x from all fractions. As you can see, we have the sum of several fractions. 1 plus 1 over plus 2 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 4041. So we can use the sigma notation and we can write x times sigma equals 4041, and we need to find a general expression for all fractions. In the denominator of fractions, we have 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 4041. If we have k natural numbers, the formula to calculate sum of k natural numbers is k times k plus 1 over 2. Notice that the numerator of all fraction is equal to 1. So we can write 1 over k times k plus 1 over 2, that k goes from 1 to 4041. K times k plus 1 over 2 is the formula for calculate sum of k natural number. Now we can multiply up and bottom of this fraction by 2. Now we can multiply top and bottom of this fraction by 2. And we can factor out from 2. So we can write 2 times x times sigma of 1 over k times k plus 1, that k goes from 1 to 4041 equals 4041. 1 over k times k plus 1 is a rational expression. We want to write the partial fraction decomposition. To write the partial fraction decomposition, we need to find the linear and quadratic factors of the denominator of this fraction. As you can see, there are two linear factors, k and k plus 1. So this expression can be written as a over k plus b over k plus 1. We need to find values of a and b. To determine a and b, we add the expression on the right hand side. We need common denominator. The common denominator is equal to k times k plus 1. And we need to multiply a by k plus 1 and multiply b by k. So we're going to get this expression. Now we can multiply both sides of this equation by k times k plus 1. So we're going to get 1 equals a times k plus 1 plus b times k. Now multiply k plus 1 by a, and we combine the like terms. The like terms are ak plus bk, and we can factor out k from these two terms. Now we need to set a coefficient equal. The coefficient of k on the left hand side is 0, so a plus b equals 0. And the constant term is 1, so a equals 1. Now we need to solve this system of equation. B equals minus a, or b equals minus 1. Then replace a by 1 and b by minus 1. Now we can replace 1 over k times k plus 1 by these two partial fractions, and we get 2 sigma 2 times x times sigma of 1 over k minus sigma of 1 over k plus 1 equals 4041. Now we need to write every sigma in expanded form. We need replace k by 1, 2, 3 up to 4041 in this sigma and this sigma. So we're going to get 2 times x times 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 up to 1 over 2041 for the first sigma, and the second sigma equals 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, and notice that the minus is between 2 sigma, and we're going to get minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 up to minus 1 over 4042. As you can see, 1 over 2 and minus 1 over 2 is going to cancel out 1 over 3 and minus 1 over 3, and all terms removed each other, and except the first term and the final term. And we're going to get 1 minus 1 over 4042. Now we need to solve this equation for x. We need common denominator. The common denominator is 4042. 4042 minus 1 equals 4041. We can divide both sides by 4041. And x is going to be 4042 over 2. Or x is equal to 2021. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment.